In 1999, India stood at crossroads. Urbanization surged as the country embraced economic reforms. But the real estate sector faced unprecedented challenges: an unorganized market, soaring demand for housing, and a pressing need for regulation. The Indian real estate market was valued at approximately $15 billion. But developers faced immense challenges operating in silos.
It was in early 1998 that the Federation of Promoters and Builders Associations of Maharashtra had a dream, and they assigned to me the task to turn the dream into reality by creating a national body of real estate developers. Our rationale for wanting to do this was twofold: to create a single voice for the industry and to convert the negative image of the sector to a positive one. We were able to establish 13 state-level associations with multiple chapters in each state under the CREDAI banner. I do believe we are well on the way to see CREDAI as a skyscraper on the foundation laid in those early years.
Envisioning a unified platform that brings together India's real estate developers, fostering seamless collaboration and networking across cities. This vision champions self-regulation, transparency, and ethical practices, all aimed at safeguarding home buyer interests and driving sustainable urban development. Starting with just 50 members, CREDAI rapidly grew. Developers recognized the value of collaboration, gaining representation and support. As India emerges as a global manufacturing hub, it becomes crucial to recognize the real estate sector's pivotal role in our nation's economic growth. After agriculture, real estate is the second largest employer in the country, adding immense value by generating employment and driving development. Since 2011, the industry has contributed approximately 11% to the gross value added of the nation. Real estate is now seen as a catalyst for much of the economic expansion and job creation we witness today. In fact, nearly 50% of India's GDP is linked to this sector, underscoring its importance as a foundation of India's growth story. Over the past decade, CREDAI has played a pivotal role in shaping the real estate sector, particularly through its active involvement in the formation and implementation of the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 (RERA). In collaboration with the government, CREDAI worked to ensure that RERA balanced the interests of both home buyers and developers, enhancing transparency and accountability across the industry. Today, CREDAI proudly represents over 13,000 members, advocating for transformative reforms that have shaped the industry. From RERA's introduction to GST reforms simplifying taxation, CREDAI's impact is profound. CREDAI's vision is bold and transformative to lead the real estate sector towards a sustainable, net zero future. With an unwavering commitment to reducing its carbon footprint by 25% before 2030 and achieving full net zero emissions by 2050, CREDAI is driving the change needed for a greener tomorrow. Empowering the future of real estate, CREDAI's Youth Wing unites emerging developers through summits and knowledge-sharing platforms like YouthCon, driving innovation, collaboration, and ethical practices for a sustainable industry. CREDAI's Women's Wing, launched in 2017, champions gender diversity and leadership, fostering a dynamic, inclusive real estate sector where women thrive. In 2015, CREDAI established its CSR Foundation, dedicated to uplifting the lives of construction workers and their families. Through impactful social initiatives, including skilling programs, educational scholarships for their children, and rehabilitation support during natural disasters, we are forging a brighter future for those who build our nation.
representing over 13,000 developers across India and present in more than 200 city chapters. CREDAI is a crucial pillar in Indian real estate industry. As the second largest employer, real estate developer strive to ensure the well-being and empowerment of construction workers. CREDAI is the first industry association to focus on skilling of construction workers, training over more than 250,000 workers since 2015. The skilling not only install right through certification but also enables the workers to advance their career within the sector. CREDAI engages in significant social development efforts through its CSR foundation.
With the launch of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana (PMAY) in 2015, the government set in motion an ambitious vision to provide housing for all, transforming the housing landscape of India. Over the past 9 years, the landmark initiative has enabled the construction of over 8.4 million homes, offering families across the country the chance to realize the dream of owning a home. CREDAI has been a driving force behind this mission, actively supporting and advancing the PMAY scheme's goals. We take pride in saying that CREDAI members collectively contributed to around 10% of the total houses built under the PMAY urban scheme, making a significant impact on the success of the initiative. As CREDAI continues to play a pivotal role in advancing the Housing for All mission, the organization's commitment to building a sustainable future extends beyond providing homes, recognizing that true progress comes not only from constructing buildings, but also from empowering the hands that build them. CREDAI launched its Skilling Initiative in the very same year, 2015. CREDAI's Skilling Initiative has trained over 2.5 lakh workers, equipping them with the knowledge and expertise required to thrive in modern construction environments. By offering both on-site and off-site training, CREDAI is not just shaping homes but also shaping lives, enhancing the livelihoods of workers, improving their earning capacity, and providing them with opportunities for entrepreneurship. Today, CREDAI is more than just a name. It represents a powerful network of developers spanning over 230 cities, making us a formidable force in India's real estate landscape. This extensive reach allows us to not only address local challenges, but also promote best practices and drive innovation across the industry. As we continue to grow through collaborative efforts, CREDAI is positioned to transform the real estate sector from a $200 billion industry into a $1 trillion powerhouse over the next decade.
साथियों, क्रेडाई बीते 2 दशकों से हर देशवासी के अपने घर के जो सपने हैं उसको पूरा करने में जुटा है। और मुझे बताया गया है कि 23 राज्यों के 205 शहरों में आपके संगठन का विस्तार हुआ है। देश भर में आपके 12,000 से अधिक मेंबर हैं। जिस रफ्तार से देश में रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर का विस्तार हुआ है, उसी प्रकार आपका संगठन भी बढ़ा है। मुझे खुशी है कि आपने श्रद्धेय अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के आशीर्वाद से अपनी यात्रा शुरू की थी।
As we hear these inspiring words, it becomes evident that CREDAI's efforts extend far beyond building homes. They are shaping the future of India. The real estate sector's influence on employment, government revenues, and the stability of the banking ecosystem is undeniable, supporting over 250 industries that fuel our economy. This cascading effect cements CREDAI's role in driving India's growth and aligns seamlessly with the vision of Viksit Bharat. CREDAI's strides in shaping India's real estate are clear, with a focus on sustainable development and accountability for a greener tomorrow. As an extension of this commitment, CREDAI has launched a national vision of growth, integrating every chapter under a unified mission that aims to revolutionize the real estate sector. This vision centers around green construction, reform, opportunities to build a new India, women empowerment, transparency, and housing for all.
As we enter this 25th year and mark our silver jubilee as CREDAI, I want to congratulate each and every one of you. Let us understand the reason why CREDAI is important to each and every one of us. We are all together a lot more resourceful, a lot more capable, and we have an ability to do a lot more building this Viksit Bharat that our Pradhan Mantri ji aims for us. Let us understand that in this year we have taken a pledge to plant 20 million trees and take care of their upbringing till such time as they can stand for themselves. We have decided to make 1 lakh green certified homes in this year itself, at least get them started off in this year. We have decided to start off at 25 million square feet of green commercial spaces. We have also pledged to skill and upskill 500,000 workers so that they can have a better life and we can have better structures or buildings in the future. Beyond all of this, I'm also happy to state that 1,000 government and semi-government schools will be upgraded by our CREDAI members across the country. I want to say that the maxim we have taken, CREDAI hai to bharosa hai.
Our events have become platforms for dialogue and innovations, drawing dignitaries like Prime Minister Modi, who share our vision for a sustainable future. Their presence underscores the importance of our work in shaping India's real estate landscape. As we embark on the next 25 years, CREDAI is set to revolutionize real estate with bold strides in innovation and sustainability. CREDAI is not just keeping pace with technological change, we are leading it. We aim to help over 13,000 members in the adoption of technology solutions in real estate projects, enabling them to reduce construction time and improve the quality of products. From AI-driven solutions to modern construction techniques, our initiatives aim to elevate the entire industry to new heights, bringing global best practices to every corner of India. The next 25 years promise growth, sustainability, and a commitment to affordable housing in India. Together, we will shape the future of Indian real estate. Real estate will play a crucial role in achieving the Viksit Bharat mission, and we extend our support to all key government initiatives such as Housing for All and are committed to the holistic development of Bharat. CREDAI hai to bharosa hai. CREDAI stands ready to lead the way. The future of Indian real estate is bright.